Hey everyone, big news for DJI fans. The DJI Pocket 4 is not cancelled, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know, release dates, FCC updates, and why this could be a huge moment for content creators in 2026. Recently, DJI was added to the FCC's national security covered list. This affects future drones and wireless devices, but here's the key: your current DJI drones are still fully legal. No grounding, no flight bans, and FAA licenses are still valid. So, if you already own a Mavic 4, Air 3S, or Osmo Pocket, you're good to go. For the Pocket 4 specifically, FCC approval is already in place. DJI is still planning two models: a standard Pocket 4 coming in January 2026, and a Pocket 4 Pro with dual cameras arriving later in spring. The Pro is delayed, not cancelled, so you can expect updates, improvements, and new features without any sudden disruptions. Now, why the delay? DJI is being strategic. Early hype, competition from the anti-gravity A1, and ensuring quality have pushed the Pocket 4 and other 360-degree drones into a controlled rollout. Launches are likely mid-January, with teasers arriving a week before. DJI isn't rushing, they want a flawless product. Some misinformation has caused panic selling, but that's unnecessary. Your existing drones hold value, and future models won't impact their legality. In fact, used DJI drones might even increase in value if new stock becomes scarce. So don't sell your drone out of fear, stay patient and informed. So there you have it, DJI Pocket 4 is alive and kicking. Stay tuned for teasers in early January and the official launch later this month. If you're excited for the Pocket 4 or the upcoming DJI 360 drones, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know which model you're most hyped for.